The 12-hour Bandh call given by the Farmers Union against the centre's three laws. They've given a Bharat Bandh call today, and as you can see, disruptions along various national highways across Punjab and Haryana. We are at in Zirakpur. This is the main highway that connects Chandigarh to the national highway to Delhi. That's where it has been blocked by the agitating farmers on their tractors. They have blocked this highway and not allowing the traffic to go on. So this is part of the Bharat Bandh call given by the Farmers Union in protest against the farm laws passed by the centre government, not just in the Zirakpur, in other parts of Punjab, from Bathinda to Ludhiana to Amritsar, Jalandhar. That's where main highways have been shut down completely, and not just the highways, even commercial establishment shops have been shut down by protesting agitationists. And as you can see, this is the traffic being completely stopped. This is the traffic coming from Punjab. Only the ambulances, as you can see, this ambulance is being allowed a pass by the protesters, and rest all the commercial vehicles are not being allowed by the agitating farmers. And these are raising slogans. These farmers have been protesting. This is part of the agitation ever since it started. They had the Chakka jams earlier also, but now this 12-hour Bandh call, a Bharat Bandh call, though we have reports from other parts of the country where it seems not much of an impact it has made. But as far as Punjab and Haryana is concerned, both these states are recording a good, it has evoked a good response. If we can again show you how with these tractors, with their tractors, these farmers have come from different parts of the state. They have come from the adjoining areas here to block this main highway. This is the route which takes you, which connects Chandigarh to Delhi to Ambala. That has been completely cut down. It has resulted in traffic jams because the cars are not allowed to move beyond this point. So you can see clearly these traffic being sent back by the protesters. This is the scene everywhere in many parts of Punjab. Mandis are shut, the shops and commercial establishment in Chandigarh also. We've seen many sectors reporting shops being shut. Farmers in Bathinda, in fact, went from shop to shop requesting them to shut down voluntarily to express their solidarity with the protesting farmers. Well, as far as the farmers' unions are concerned, they're saying that the tempo which has been on the momentum is still with them, though there are critics who are saying that given that the agitation is prolonged, it's been several months now, there has been some kind of laxity as far as response is concerned. But the farmers' union maintaining that the response has been adequate, and people continue to protest and continue to be part of the agitation. So that's these are the images from these protesting sites, from these sites where farmers have blocked various highways in Punjab and Haryana. We'll keep on providing you updates through the day from across Punjab, across Haryana on the latest on the Bharat Bandh. Meanwhile, you can continue logging on to our website tribuneIndia.com, and also follow us on our other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Meanwhile, thanks for watching.